Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another video. My name is Jorge Toro, and I am a master's degree student at UTPL University. So, in this video, I'm going to show you a research that I have carried out in a school. This is really interesting research because the title of this topic is EFL Teachers' Perception Towards the Application of Validity and Watchback to Improve Teaching and Learning. So let's get started with the introduction. So as you can see here in the introduction, I have explored the topic of language assessment and the application of validity and watchback in language teaching and learning. According to what I have researched, language assessment plays a crucial role in understanding learners' development and providing feedback for improvement. Validity, which refers to the extent to which a test measures and what it claims to measure. And watchback, which refers to the effect of a test on teaching and learning. So I have to mention that those mentions are really important. So for doing this research, I have 5 real-world references, as you can see here. So let's go with the methods. Okay, here in the methods, I'm going to describe how I did it to gain valuable insight into EFL teachers' perception of validity and watchback. A survey consisting of 11 questions was conducted as part of the interviews with 3 EFL teachers from Unidad Educativa Tumbaco. So as you can see here, there's the 3 teachers that I have mentioned before. So the first teacher with 5 years of experience provided insight into the long-term impact of validity and watchback on teaching and learning. The second teacher with just a year of experience in the school has offered insight into the application of validity and watchback. And the last teacher with 9 years of experience in the school have provided us a long-term viewpoint on the application of validity and watchback. I told you it's quite interesting because this question aimed to delve into teachers' experiences and beliefs regarding the long-term impact of validity and watchback, as well as their perspective as they adapted to existing practices and implemented these principles in their teaching. So this survey provided a structured framework to guide interviewers and ensured a comprehensive coverage of relevant topics related to validity and watchback in language education. So let's talk about the process that I did in order to carry out this really interesting investigation. So the interviews were analyzed using the automatic approach, organizing the data into themes and codes. So through this analysis, I gained valuable insight into the practical implementation of validity and watchback in the context of language education. The findings highlighted the importance of comprehensive teacher training, fostering a reflective practice culture, supporting assessment literacy, promoting a student-centered approach, and facilitating collaboration and knowledge sharing among teachers. So let's see the thematic map that I use in here. So as you can see here, this description of the survey, and here you can find the keywords. The teachers gave me some good ideas to make the essay, and I'm going to show you this table 1, which is about codes. So the topic that I was talking about was the codes. The codes are the important parts of the analysis of the surveys. So as you can see here are the codes, and these charts in here are the keywords. So I'm reflecting this in this table. Here's the code, the difference between language teaching and language assessment. And the keyword or theme, as it says here, is the validity. And here you can find the illustrative quote. So it's literally what the teachers have said about the questions. You can see here, says the validity is a key consideration in language assessment to ensure the accuracy and authenticity of assessment tasks and outcomes. And the other ones is the same. So you can find here the code, the theme or keywords, and what the teachers have literally said. What's their own opinion about the questions of the survey I have applied in the research. So let's continue. So now let's talk about the analysis of the research they have conducted in this school. So in summary, I can say that the analysis and discussion of the teacher's perception revealed several key themes. They organized the difference between they recognized the difference between language teaching and language assessment, emphasizing the importance of validity in ensuring accuracy and authentic assessment. Yes. Okay, so let's continue. So the teachers highlighted the important role of language assessment in providing teaching and learning. So specifically emphasizing feedback, instructional enhancement, and motivation. They also discussed the process of assessing students' learning, emphasizing progress monitoring, evaluating, and promoting academic goals. The teachers acknowledged the significance of time validity in assessment tasks, focusing on reliability, relevance, and interpretation. Additionally, they emphasized the importance of applying watchback and assessment tasks, noting its impact on instruction, improvement, and engagement. These findings provide valuable insight into the perceptions of the teacher regarding language assessment. All right, let's go to the conclusion part. So what I've got here is that the perceptions of the interviewed EFL teacher and underscore the significance of validity and watchback in language assessment for enhancing teaching and learning. Validity ensures accuracy and authentic assessment, tasks, and outcomes. Language assessment plays an important role in instructional improvement, providing valuable feedback, enhancing instructional practices, and fostering motivation and engagement. Let's go to the recommendation part. So based on these findings, I recommend that educational institutions prioritize comprehensive teacher training programs by encouraging reflective practice, providing ongoing support for assessment literacy, promoting student-centered approaches, and facilitating collaboration among teachers. Teachers can enhance the application of validity and watchback in language assessment and further improve teaching and learning outcomes. So here are the available sources that I took in order to carry out the research. I can say that it was a really interesting experience for me to do this research. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope it provided you with valuable insights into the perception of EFL teachers regarding the application of validity and watchback in language assessment. Thanks a lot, and see you soon.